outrageous. See, I personally think this is the best thing I've ever made. It's like lemon meringue pie, but way better. You gotta make this because it's a raspberry meringue pie. I started off by making my flaky crisp all butter pie crust. It's a joy to work with. I blind baked it in the oven. These are my baking beans to make it stay nice and crisp even after the filling is added. I brushed it all over with an egg white and popped it back in the oven until it was golden brown. Oh, and check out my new whisk, it's huge. Then I started on my raspberry curd filling, which is so tangy and has such an intense raspberry flavor with a touch of lemon, and it's just so luxurious in your mouth. It's creamy. You just have to try for yourself. It's hard to describe. And then to get the seeds out, you strain it in a cheesecloth or a sieve. This part might take a while, and you can snack on the seeds. It's like a reward. Well, it actually is because you worked hard. I popped it in the fridge to set. Get your bad boy mixer out. This will be a lot easier with a stand mixer because we're making an Italian meringue. The pie gets so much meringue on top that it really needs to be either Swiss meringue or Italian meringue so that it holds and doesn't fall apart. And it's also cooked through so you don't have to worry about raw eggs. It's perfectly gooey while still being sliceable. It really is a dream. A raspberry fever dream.